What's going on, y'all? Figured I'd check in tonight for a minute. Got kind of a funny story for you, too. And unfortunately, I didn't video it. So, I'm getting ready to go camping this weekend. So, I'm de-winterizing the camper. So, the first thing I did was obviously I had to get it dug out of where I keep it parked in the backyard. And then I brought it over and got it all leveled out and everything. So, then tonight I was like, well, I need to get some water in it and all that jazz. Get it ready to go. Make sure the plumbing doesn't leak because it always seems like I have a leak. So this time I had definitely had a leak because I forgot last year when I undid the drains. I'm gonna show some. I'm gonna have some illustrations of this stuff, but I didn't get any video unfortunately. But anyway, I'll show you the picture here in just a second. So you got two little pipes that come down. You drain the water out of the hot water and the cold water in the wintertime, and I just leave them open. I don't worry about putting antifreeze and stuff. It doesn't really ever get super duper cold here for very long. So anyway, when I did that last year, I forgot that one of them broke. So it was broken off. I couldn't seal it up. So I went up to the big box store and I got a. It worked out really nice actually. I got a little PEX, shark bite one of them ones you just slide it on. It locks itself on. Little drain valves. So now I don't have to worry about the caps. I can just open the valve and let it drain. So I got that on there. Filled it up with water. Turned the water pump on. Pressurized the system. It blew that fitting off, that brand new fitting. I'm like, what in the heck did I do? Well, evidently I didn't push it up on it far enough, and you got to push it all the way up and then pull down on it to lock it. So I fixed that disaster pretty quick. So then the water heater's got a drain plug on it, so I take that drain plug out in the winter as well. Well, I put it back in, and I forgot to put any pipe thread, sealer on it, pipe sealer, pipe tape, whatever you want. I use a liquid kind, but you can use either kind. I'll show a picture of that plug too. So I put that in there, and then it was leaking. So I had the water heater running, and everything's pressurized now. Let's drip, 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 drip. Of course, it won't tighten up. It needs a plastic plug anyway. So I'm like, well, shit, I gotta take that back out. So I'm loosening it up, and my dumb ass, about the time I thought, oh, I didn't go in and turn any of the faucets on or release any of the pressure in the system. It's like the last word goes through my mind, like, oh, I forgot. And then just boom, it just blasts me with water. Thank gosh it wasn't very hot yet. So yeah, that was my dum of the night. But it's all sealed up. Everything's pressurized. Fire the water heater up. Everything's working. So like I said, unfortunately, I didn't take any video of that, so I do apologize, but I'll put some illustrations. There'll be some illustrations for sure. What else? Man, I don't know. I've been doing a lot of metal fabrication at work. I don't know if you guys saw the video. I made some tool racks in the back of one of the big pickup trucks. Today I started. We've got a brand new Bobcat. It's got like 4 hours on it, and the guys took it out and they're out in the woods with it. And there's these plastic vents on the side that let the hot air out from the engine and the oil cooler and stuff, and the radiator and the fans in there and whatever. But so these vents are made out of plastic, and well, they shoved a tree in there and busted hydraulic lines and stuff. So I've been fabricating metal ones. I'll have a somewhat of a video on it. I didn't get to record any today. I was so back and forth in and out of the shop. I didn't record much, but yesterday I recorded, making the templates and cutting the metal out, and then today I pretty much fabbed it all up, welded it, and painted it. So it'll be well. Actually, I have one more to make. So if I remember to bring my phone and my camera to work tomorrow, I'll hopefully get some video of fabricating that because it actually turned out pretty neat. But really, that's about it. I'm going to go camping this weekend. And we're going to do some chilling. I actually have tried to. I have not. Didn't try. I did succeed. I've started like a travel channel. I call it the Travel Trailers. It'll be all our camping and all of our outdoor activities that we do because I like to take a little bit of time off, especially on the weekends, and just get the heck out of town. So if you want to check that out, like I said, it's called The Travel Trailers. I think there's a link in my channel on the Jason's Garage. Another thing about Jason's Garage, I may be changing the name of the channel because there are too many Jason's Garages. I noticed the other day when I hashtagged something Jason's Garage Inc., which is what mine is, it went to the wrong Jason's Garage. It went to a guy that has a motorcycle shop, and he's got a pretty good sized channel on here. And I noticed that there was a few of them, so I may be modifying the name of this channel just to work with the algorithm, because I finally got enough subscribers and stuff to get monetized, and I think I might be getting screwed there, but maybe I'm not. I don't know. I'm gonna research that, but that may be happening. But I'll let everybody know what's going on. I also have a meditation sleep music channel. It's called Radiant Meditation. It's real new. It's got maybe 11 videos on it. They're like an hour long, but it's it's calming music, relaxing music, stuff I like to listen to when I'm trying to take a nap. And there's some cool videos with it too. So yeah, I've been a busy bear doing that stuff kind of behind the scenes, not really letting it out. I know I've got to be insane to have 3 YouTube channels, but oh well, I'll try it. If it doesn't work, maybe I'll just dump all the videos on this one. But the other one, the travel trailer one's doing pretty good for being only like a week old. So it's growing faster than this one did in the first week. I can tell you that much for damn sure. So, but yeah, it's just been a real weird blah, say that 10 times fast. It's been a real weird week at work because our boss is out, so everybody comes to me. I don't know why they do that, but it's like when he's not here, I'm the man. So, and I've been trying to get that metal fab done and a bunch of other little projects. So I got a Ford truck. I'm doing a cylinder head temperature sensor in it. That's my cat. She's annoying. Say hi, Luna. She probably needs me to feed her. But anyway, I'm doing a cylinder head temperature sensor on this. she is something else. I'll probably try and video that tomorrow too, because these are a bitch to do. I'll see if maybe I can come up with a better idea how to do it. So anyway, it's just a check-in for Tuesday night. I'm sure I'll have at least 2 more videos this week. Like I said, I'll be putting some travel stuff up on that other channel. Maybe I can put a link. I'll try and put a link in this video to the other channels. I'm not the most savviest person when it comes to doing this stuff. So, but hey, have a good evening. Get out there and fix something.